Welcome back, YouTubers. So we have five Disney film boxes. These are really amazing pins. They come with a guide inside of them that show you the ones that you can get. You want to see the guide? Okay, let me open it up and show everybody. So there's 42 pins in the collection, and 21 of them are in color, and the ones that are not in color are a limited edition, I think, of 900. I'm not completely sure. I haven't opened these up for a while. So this is the first one. I might need some scissors. Ariel and Ursula. Oh, wow. I really like these film pins. That's why I got them off of eBay. The last time I was at the park, I bought some, and then they ran out, and you couldn't buy them any longer. So hopefully they come back to the park. So yeah, I'm going to need to get scissors for sure. Oh, okay, so this is a limited edition, and I actually have this one. So I'm going to look. It is a limited edition of 600. Okay, so I'm going to go get scissors. Alright, so that was the first one. Here's the next one. You can look at that if you'd like, Kenzie.
Dad, you don't have that one.
I don't have that one.
You need it.
Well, let's see if I can get it. So here's the first one. Ooh. Scar from The Lion King. That is a really nice pin. Did you see that pin, Kylie? Oh, there it is, Kens. That's the one you said I needed. Huh.
Yeah, I like that one.
Which one is that? Belle?
I want it. Oh, you get another one of these? I can have one.
Here you go, Kai.
I was hoping for that one. You got it, Mom. That one.
Okay.
I'll pull the pins out.
Here, let me cut the little bag and you guys can pull pins out. Here's one bag. Kai, can I come over here and you can cut this?
Oh, lady. Cut that and open it.
That one's super nice, Kenzie.
You're welcome.
I really like that.
Oh, skip.
Oh, Kylie got a limited edition one. Which one did you get, Kylie? Oh, it's another one of these. That's so funny that we got two limited edition Baymax. And I think I have that same one.
Thank you, Mom.
You think I have that one?
Yes, I saw.
Okay.
I know.
I'll have to look. And this one.
I want to open it. I want to get it.
Here, Kai. Get this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. It's the Siamese kitties. I'm so glad I got that one. Ooh, limited release. Beauty and the Beast. Oh. And he's like Adam. That's
I
cool.
want it.
Alright, this is the last box. Hopefully we get some Aladdin ones. I really would like some Aladdin pins.
Which one do you want? I'll like you to get down.
I already have that one, so let's see. We got Belle, and I already have this one, so I told Kenzie she could have any doubles I got of Beauty and the Beast. She gets to keep that one.
Yeah, I like to keep those two down because I like Beauty and the Beast.
We'll negotiate. And limited edition of Lady and the Tramp. That's the little baby lady.
Oh, you have that one.
Not in the limited edition. I have it in color.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I want to know what else.